Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon germ. So, to start off with our germ, we are going to begin with the inside. So, starting right here on my paper, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of has like a little bit of a wavy shape like this. Then on the outside, I want to give it a really kind of wavy, bumpy line around here. So I'm going to make these kind of all different shapes and sizes coming out here with these little random bumps all over the place. So I'm just going to kind of put these all over the place, just like that. Then I'm going to add some extra little lines coming off this, just kind of going in random directions. You can make these kind of curl too and twist all over the place. I'm just going to put these kind of going everywhere all around the edge, just to make it look a little bit more kind of like germy. And I'm just going to add these going everywhere, make these a little bit longer and curlier, just like that. Now let's give our little germ a face. So I'm going to just kind of give him like a goofy face. So I'm going to give him a big oval shape eye right here. And then I'm going to give him a smaller, rounder shape eye over here. Then I'm just going to draw a little circle on the inside and color in most of it. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. You can always make these a little bit bigger if you want. Then I'm just going to give him kind of like a goofy looking mouth. Draw a couple little lines on the end. And then I'm going to draw a line right here that goes up to here for a little open mouth. Put a little line in there for his tongue. Then I'll give him a little line for his chin. And then we can kind of add some eyebrows up here. Then I'm going to just kind of add some different like little circle and oval shapes kind of all over the place on here. Just to make it look like he's got like little spots on him. And then just kind of around the edge of him, I'm just going to draw some kind of broken lines just to kind of give it a little bit more detail around there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon germ. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.